Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sweet. Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Hey, good evening, sweet. How are you tonight?
I'm fine.
Oh, that's great. Okay, and how was your school?
Mm, yeah, yes. Okay.
Oh, just okay. Okay, now, sweet, are you ready to start our lesson this evening?
Yes.
Okay, before that, sweet, can you hear me clearly?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. And can you see my screen?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now let's start our lesson suite. So at this evening suite, we are going to continue our Unit 1 lesson phase, but we move to our part 2 because we already spent a lot of days to learn this vocabulary and word skill. So this time, we are here to our past perfect simple and past perfect continuous used to and would. So you're going to spec sheet at this week, we're going to learn a grammar.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's move on. So we're gonna learn this. Mhm. Okay, so we are going to learn about past perfect simple and continuous. We are going to use past perfect simple for completed action that happened before a specific time in the past. Example, by the age of 6, she'd appear on television twice. Again, sweet, the use of past perfect simple for complete action that happened before or a specific time in the past. Example, by the age of 6, she'd appear on television twice. So, completed action happened before and a specific time. So, the example here, by the age of 6, so the age of 6 is a very completed action because she stated the age of 6. Okay, next, we use past perfect continuous for longer action or situation that happened before a specific time in the past. Example, they were tired because they've been rehearsing hard. And next, we have another we have next with state verbs, we use the past perfect simple with for and since to how long an action had been progress. With the example, he'd been an actor since childhood. When action verbs, we use past perfect continuous with for and since to say how long an action had been in progress. So, okay, let's go back. Mhm. Okay, I'm going to explain you again. So here, sweet, we use past perfect simple for completed. When we say completed, already done. Okay, when we say completed, already done. So action, the action just like what you did or you said or what you did before. Example, uh, yesterday, Thursday, you already done on your study. So action, study. And that happened before. So what is this happened before? So when we say past simple, happened before. So it's already done before. So not today, it's already done yesterday. Like today is Friday. So yesterday is already past perfect simple for completed action. So example here. Another example, you already done with your study at exactly 10 a.m. on by Thursday. So already done. And why the example here? She's appeared on television twice because she's appeared television twice. When we say appeared, already done because ed. Okay, that is when we say ed, that is talk about future tense. So meaning already done. Okay. Do you get this one?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, very good. Next. Okay, later on you're going to write. You want to write?
No.
Okay. Next, letter B. We use past perfect continuous. Okay, so we are done past perfect simple. So let's move to past perfect continuous. For longer. When we say longer action, when we say longer, long, period. So example, yesterday, you still studying and until now. So that is long situation or action. So example, sweet. We already have our lesson yesterday. We have our lesson, but we still have lesson at this moment. So that is the example of past perfect continuous. Okay, that is the another example. Okay, but happened before a specific time in the past. The example here, they were tired because they'd been rehearsing hard. So they are tired because rehearsing hard. Been, when we say been, that is a longer action. It's already done and then they still do it. So meaning it's a long day. It's a long, tiring rehearsing hard. Okay, next. We use past perfect past perfect simple with for and since to how to say how long action had been in progress. So we are going to use for and since. For to say long action had been in progress. Example, he'd been an actor since childhood. So we are going to use since for long action been in progress. So example, hmm, this boy is already actor from since childhood, meaning she is 5 years old until 30 years old, still an actor. So that is the example, or this is how you use the word since. And with action verbs, we use the past continuous with for and since to say how long action had been in progress. So she'd been writing for years before she became famous. So writing for years. Okay. So do you have question here?
Huh?
Do you have question?
No.
Okay, let's proceed. So we are done here. Okay, now let's learn about this past, perfect, simple, and continuous. So we have here positive, negative question, and past perfect continuous positive, negative question. So the keyword here, sweet, when we say past past perfect simple, so meaning you're going to use the word had, okay? Had or had not or had, okay? Always remember when you are going to write about past perfect simple, always remember the word had or has. Okay, we
Yeah.
already talked about this. And then from the past perfect continuous, you always remember had been and had not been. Okay. So question here.
No.
Okay, great. Now, we're going to learn
Oh,
this one.
I
What?
want the right.
Okay, sure. Write the form.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now let's learn about this past perfect simple and continuous difference. So let's talk about the differences. So the different of past perfect simple, it used to express past action already finished when another past action happened. Example, when she arrived, the bus had already left. Okay. Again, when we say past perfect simple, express the action already finished when other past action will happen. Okay, and past perfect continuous, it used to express the past action which started in the past and continued to happen and not after another action or time in the past. So these are the differences with. So you're going to take note this one so that you have your idea the differences.
Yeah.
Okay, take note. Do you want to write?
Mm.
These are the differences.
Okay.
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 Okay. Okay, now this time, sweet. Find all the examples of the past perfect simple and past perfect continuous in the text and match them with rules A to D. So before you answering this one, sweet, you're going to read this text first. Okay, so
Okay.
let's read. When I
When when I arrived on set to interview Paul Lacouver one afternoon, he looked uh, exhausted. That was probably to be
probably
probably to be expected, given that he spent the morning jumping up, pudding, and being beaten up. How is a son double the unknown star of film such as Thor and the Avengers? His career began 10 years ago. Since childhood, Paul had always wanted to be either an actor or a fighter pilot. His math has never been good enough for a career in flying, but he managed to get a job as an extra in the film We Were There. He turned out to be the perfect stunt double for action films, mainly because in the month before starting work, he had been learning martial arts,
martial art.
martial arts, and training as a bodybuilder. He hadn't been doing the job for very long. When he was not noticed
Notice.
noticed by the director, and his career took off from there. Within the 10 years, he had won an award for his stunt work and has received
Nom-
motivation
nomination.
nomination for two more and a magazine league. He still has a 100%
Percent.
accident free record.
Okay, so at this moment, you're going to match. Uh, you're you're going to find all example of past perfect simple and past perfect continuous and match here. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, go. Okay, don't you worry if you are going to have a lot of time. There is no time pressure. Okay, just answer.
Okay.
Okay. Hmm. Your letter A is he'd spend the morning jumping off building and being beaten up. We use past perfect simple for completed action that happened before a specific time in the past. Okay, this is your answer A. Very good. He'd spend. Great. B. This one. He had been learning martial art and training as a bodybuilder. We use past perfect continuous for longer action or situation happened before a specific time. Okay, you just wait. Okay, wait. Okay, had been. See, very good. Had verbs use the past simple with it. Okay, just wait. Had won. Had received. Okay. Hmm. Letter A, his math's never been good enough. Spend, he had been learning, has always wanted. Paul had, okay, it could be this one, had received and hadn't been doing. Very good. Okay, yeah, very good, sweet. So you get all of the correct answer here. So I'm glad that you already understand about the past perfect simple and past perfect continuous. Congratulations, sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, so congrats. So you have this correct answer. Okay, now let's move on to our next parts with okay, so in our task 2 suite, complete the sentences with the verbs in the bracket. Choose past perfect simple or past perfect continuous. So you're going to use the words here in the bracket and then use the past perfect simple and past perfect continuous.
Okay.
Okay, so while answering, can I go to the toilet?
Yeah.
Okay.
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 I don't know too.
You don't have answer?
I don't know. 4 and 7.
Okay, don't you worry. Okay. Number one, after he had finished speaking, everyone stood up and clapped. Had finished. Very good. Number two, they had been planning the project for months when was suddenly cancelled. Very good. Had been planning. Number three, we had not to wait long when the actors arrived. Had not or hadn't. Very good. But wait here is you're going to use the past waiting,
Yeah.
just like the planning. I think you forgot about this. Okay, my fans queued my fans blank since midday to see the stars. So the answer here, queuing. So the past perfect continuous queued is queuing. My fans, past simple rather. Past perfect simple is had been queuing.
Yeah.
She had been knowing what job she's been to. Very good. Had known. Oh, it's already had known because what job wanted to do since. Oh, the answer here is had been known because
Yeah.
the word since. Yes? Yes, so the correct answer here is had been. Had been known. Number through six, he had not wearing protective clothing when he had the accident. So he was badly injured. Okay, he had not or hadn't been wearing. Okay, protective clothing. Protective. Oh, the answer here is doesn't have been because not a long event. Protective clothing when the accident happens already happened. So had not wearing. Yeah. Okay, seven. He
Right.
seven. He had been trying to get acting for years. So trying had been trying because 4 years before had won I think had won. So the past simple of win is won. So you correct about had. So you get here one, two, three, four, five. Okay, so you get here 5/8 because here this is 1.
Yeah.
Okay, still congratulations at least you know already it.
Yeah.
Okay, congratulations sweet. Now, this time, you are going to match each sentence with a rule. So the rule here, A, B, C, D. So just like what you did before. You're going to match these sentences with the rules.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm.
Oh,
Oh. Okay, so suddenly, all of the sentences here, sweet, are connected in these matches. So, see, you're correct. B, D, and A. So you're correct about this four. And why you didn't include this? You are correct this four. So if you're going to answer this one, I think you get the perfect score this too. Okay. So thank you so much, Sweet, for answering this one. So I'm so glad that you already know about our lesson tonight. Okay, next, task three, Sweet. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the words in the bracket. So this one. Use past perfect simple or past perfect continuous. Use no more than five words including provided. So you're going to answer this one with the words in the bracket. I will give you one example. One example. She had been acting for years before she won an Oscar. So acting, years. Had been. What is had been? Past simple
yeah.
perfect or past perfect continuous?
Yeah.
Is past perfect simple. So you're going to answer these six sentences with us words in the bracket.
Yeah.
Okay, go sweet.
Okay.
Okay. Mhm. Joey had not visited the USA. Hadn't. Very good. Had been watching television. Very good. Had wanted to see. Very good. Had not managed to buy. Hadn't or had. Very good. Had not worked or had not been working for. Okay, because many weeks.
Yeah.
Had you leaving the university? Have you left or leaving? So the past perfect simple about leave is left. Okay, so you get here 5/6 because number one is example. So you get one mistake only here, 7. Instead of left, you answer leaving.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are done at this task with, so I think it's already time. So we cannot continue this activity. So we still have, how many slides we have? We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 slides more to go. So we are going to continue this one next week on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's time to say goodbye, sweet. Thank you so much tonight. Oh, before that, have you learned tonight?
Yeah.
Okay, so good. Goodbye, sweet, and thank you so much for having this night. Goodbye and good night. Enjoy your weekend.
Yes. Bye. Good evening.
Good evening.